Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. So what happens if you are also working full-time like Appa, and sometimes very often when we reach home, it's already a little bit late. You don't have so much time to cook, but your children suddenly say they want to eat fried chicken. And you suddenly think, oh yeah, I won't have enough time to even marinate the chicken, right? Actually, no. Today, Appa is going to teach you a very simple method where the marination can actually goes into your chicken very fast, and you can actually cook and deep fry your fried chicken faster as well. Alright, so let's take a look at our ingredient. I have actually 3 pieces of drumstick here. Of course, you can also use chicken wing. Yeah. Now, the thing about this drumstick here, you will probably notice I actually make 2 slits. I made 1 slit on the left, 1 slit on the right. So this actually opens out the drumstick perfectly. So later when we marinate, the marination can actually goes into the meat very easily. All right, much faster. And then on the also when you deep fry, it has much more opening, yeah, much more surface to be in direct contact with the oil, and therefore the frying process will easily cut down by 30%. Everything will be so super fast. Right, there's no rule as to how you want to marinate your chicken. Appa always very chincai. But sometimes I would like to give it some yellowish color, so I will put in 1 egg yolk. This will give it some natural yellowish color, yeah. And the next thing, Appa is going to make my use of my chicken stock powder, Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. You can, all the ingredients I use, it will be written inside the video description. You can find the link there, yeah. Okay, it is actually the chicken stock. So I'm going to give it probably approximately 1 teaspoon or so. Appa never really measure. Well, this will give your chicken an umami flavor. 100% natural. So perfectly safe for your kids to eat, yeah? And I'm going to put in some oyster sauce, some Vietnamese premium fish sauce, my favorite, few dashes, wash my hand, few dashes of white pepper as well, not so much if you are making it for your kids, don't want it to be too spicy, a little bit of salt, okay, some Shao Hsing wine. Don't worry, it won't make your kids fall drunk. Shao Hsing wine will help to remove the gaminess from the chicken itself. And I don't have garlic powder with me, so I'm going to use garlic oil. Okay, I'm putting in some garlic oil. You can use sesame oil as well, or you can use minced. Actually, I don't prefer minced garlic because it can turn dark during deep frying very easily. And next thing, you want to just mix all this up nicely together. And then we are going to just leave it aside for a couple of minutes. Okay, while waiting for the oil to heat up, right before deep frying, prepare some rice flour or cornstarch or potato starch or tapioca starch. I'm actually using rice flour. Okay. And you want to coat your chicken nicely with whatever flour you are using. Inside out, yeah? So that the whole thing will have a nice thin crust. Okay, around 140 something, right? Good enough. And I'm going to put in the chicken. The shops outside definitely is using high heat, yeah? We can't really do that at home. It's a bit difficult because we don't put as much oil. So I'm going to start with medium heated oil and later raise the heat towards the end to medium high, yeah? Wow. I can feel the crispiness already. This is only after 1 minute. And you want to open out this cavity so that it gets cooked easier and faster inside, yeah? This is after another 1 minute. Wow. I'm going to slowly deep fry this. Woohoo, nice. Really nice. Actually, deep frying drumstick is the toughest, especially for very big drumstick like what I got today. The one I have today is very, very thick. So if you don't really make the cavity make the slits, actually what is going to happen is outside is already going to be cooked and almost burned, but inside is not fully cooked yet. So this method, actually I would suggest normal days also you can use it, even you have enough time to marinate, yeah? And this method is actually very similar to ayam penyet, because ayam penyet, when you fry halfway, you take it out, you smash it. That is the part where you're actually creating the slits to get cooked inside, and then you want to refry again, yeah? So very similar to the principle of ayam penyet as well. Now it's approximately 5 minutes. Look at the beautiful golden brown we have. This is partly coming from the egg yolk. Wow, look at how nice it is. And take note, just now there's one thing I did not add, which is the light soy sauce. The moment you added the light soy sauce, everything will turn darker, browner very fast. So it's not a good idea. I don't add the light soy sauce, I actually use fish sauce instead, yeah? And fish sauce, especially when you're using a very good quality fish sauce, it will actually add the umami flavor to your fried chicken. Go give it a try. My drumstick today is humongous, so I'll probably use between, now it's already 9 minutes. Just now when I deep fry the chicken wing for my daughter, it only took me about 3 minutes. This drumstick is huge. Wow. Okay, I think it's done. Approximately 9 to 10 minutes, yeah? Using a medium-high heat. Let the oil render at the side. Check it out. Wow, this color is very nice. Here's our very simple deep fried drumstick or deep fried chicken for you all. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.